In this video of the Threat Simulator video series, we're going to install a local agent. As you can see, I have the Threat Simulator console open and it's on topology. So this shows my current topology that I have set up. I have several agents installed already. On the left here I have two AWS agents, in the middle an Azure agent, and on the right I have a local agent. I just installed a new Ubuntu system and we're going to install a new local agent on that system. In order to do that, we go over to the menu screen and click on Deployment. And Deployment brings up all the different deployment mechanisms that I have. In this case, I have three: AWS, Azure, and on-premises. Since this is a local system, I'm going to click on-premises. That brings up an overview and some instructions. It also brings up prerequisites that will tell you which Linux-based distribution it's compatible with, as well what the minimum compute requirements are. To get started though, we're going to turn off IP version 6 on this host. All commands that you need to execute are highlighted in white and you can copy and paste them. I have to provide my password and execute the second IPv6 command to disable it, and now IPv6 is disabled. And then to install the agent, you have three options. You can download the agent and then upload it to a physical host, or you can use curl or wget. In our case, we're going to do the curl command. We're going to execute that, paste it into here, and run it, and that takes a couple seconds to download, and then it's here. So the next thing we have to do is actually run that agent. So I copy the command, the bash agent run, paste it, and run it. And here you will have to give it a name. In this case, we're going to give it Ubuntu _ threat. It doesn't support spaces, just to let you know. And that installs the required packages, and that takes a couple minutes. So I am going to fast forward through that. The next question that it's going to ask you is if you want to tie that threat simulator to the user that I have logged into the threat simulator. In this case, that's my user. So I'm going to say yes on that. And it's going to install the agent, finish the installation. And now you can see the agent has finished installing. Now, if I go back here, I can now validate that by doing the sudo docker ps-a command to see that this is up and running. And as you can see, my three container IDs that were created are now here. Now, all we have to do is go over to topology and see if that agent has shown up. And as you can see, my agent that we just installed has shown up and is now ready to be used in testing. In this video, I did show you how to install a new local agent on a new system.